This is Zach with WTI, and these are the Apple AirPods Pro. And I really have enjoyed these. As you can see, they fit so snugly in your ear. They come with the charging case here that you can just take the headphone, put it right in the charging case, just like that, close it up, and they're charging. They have the noise cancellation feature on them, which makes them so great. When you can charge them, recharge them probably about 5 or 6 times in the case before the case itself needs to be recharged. Very convenient, no cord, so you won't, if you run a lot like I do, you won't, yank the earphones out of your ear or anything when you're running. If you turn your head, there's no cords to have to worry about. Just an amazing product. Really has changed the way I think about headphones, and I use them on a day-to-day basis. So just an amazing product overall, and that's my point of view.